Well, this is the famous Dallas downtown. At one point, was this all black people down here at one point at any given time?
All hood.
Oh, it was all hood at once? And they took it all back.
Took it away.
See, that's what they're talking about. They let people, you know, let us get in when we segregate us, and then later on they want it back. And they're gonna, you know, deny you the services and let you run it down, let you destroy it yourself. And then come back, oh yeah, we'll get it at dirt cheap prices. And rework it and charge 15 times over.
We'll take that.
We'll take that back. Yeah, because y'all couldn't manage that. Yeah, we're going with that back. Take that back. Downtown Dallas, y'all. Just letting y'all see what I see. Turn the corner with my people.
And it was around this little curve
they bent the corner, and they came. Oh, they bent that corner. That's what it was. That corner right there, and sweeped around right here. That's where all the people was.
Right there where they is.
Yeah, right there with the X on the ground, right there. That's what Erykah Badu did, a little strip thing right there too. Yep. And they saying something.
She actually did it on this side because they're gonna take her to jail if she did it on this side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Then they ran the whiskey up out here and kept it moving from there. Okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, that was way too televised. How they talk about where the president's gonna be and all that stuff that day. So, yeah. Plus they was running open car stuff back then. So.
And I don't know what time of a year, but once a year they put a.
They do a reenactment thing.
They put the Lincoln outside.
Oh.
Right out there.
Oh, okay.
And they just park and people come by there.
Oh, okay. Or we at another spot. Man, look at this joint right here. Tucked up under there. Man, I'm telling you, on this episode of Money's Car Stereo World Tour, my man had put me on all kind of places, let me see what he see. You see what I'm seeing. LS's on the Cutlasses. Nationals on 4G Autos. SS's. And we down here in Texas, man. Out Fort Worth, outside of and we're here in Dallas, man. So, hey, how you doing? All right. So I'm following my man Corey. He gave me the grand tour. Oh yeah. Okay. Where you been? Breaking them down.
They do it all.
Yeah, I'm seeing. Man, they ain't got no spinners up in here. Man, I need some spinners in my life right about now. Hey, yeah, them swingers, they call them swingers, right?
Swingers.
Okay.
Yeah, he does it.
Oh. Yeah. That's what a lot of people are starting to swing towards at that resto mod, street and touring look like this right here. Yeah. Yeah, see, the homeboy wasn't on 30s when we were looking at the other day, earlier. No.
He do a post.
Uh-huh. More Chevelles, y'all. More Chevelles. You said, what's my style? Oh, yeah. Oh, I saw it when you were pulling up. I didn't speak on it yet. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, he done. Oh, yeah.
Suede.
Oh, yeah. He on some true spokes. Yeah, he nice. Hey, how you doing, man? Oh, he on the air. Okay, I see the air back there. Yeah. He purdy. Yep. Cutlass. Firebird. Cutlass. Oh, we got a Skylark. Oh, this is a Skylark right here. Forgiatos. Got the Cadillac. Oh, he's gonna go big out the top.
I got one of those at the crib.
Oh, one of the roofs? What are they? What? Are you trying to come with the Landau? What made you switch up?
Well, mine's one of the Landau. It's brilliant.
Okay.
So now I want one again.
So you just see the things that make you say, I need that back in my life? Yeah. And on this top particular car here,
So it's just like this. If you didn't have that seat, you know, you want the factory seats. You want just a regular rim. I don't want that.
Mm-hmm. Well, when with this scenario right here, if you left it make it like brand new on the inside, it can flow in both worlds with just a change of the wheels.
Yeah.
That's what I went to go was with my Skylark was. If I took the wheels off, put the red line tires back on it, I'm in the white people stock category. Put the gold ones, I'm jump to the hood just on switching the rim. And if this this vehicle does not have the rims on it, he can't ever put a stock wheel on it and come in the classic Chevy white boy car show scenario because you rotted it.
Yeah.
You know, so you're too far out of there.
And it's just like him, like he good.
Mm-hmm.
So he got everything that I did except I wouldn't have did that.
Uh-huh.
Man, all new seats.
Oh yeah.
Seats straight.
The stitching's right. Yeah.
As long as you keep it original.
Yeah.
Now the door pulls, that's cool.
Uh huh.
Everything else, man, it's original. The carpet, original.
Yeah.
I did the radio with the radio one, factory one radio.
Yeah.
So it looked just like that, but it's Bluetooth, so it works.
Yeah.
Same carpet. Headliner, I think I'm gonna do a suede headliner. That's about it.
Because there's a blinker right here that shouldn't be here if it was 72. Yeah. But his black looks pretty straight though. I said pretty straight. I didn't say it was straight. It was pretty straight. I'm staring at it. Now I'm starting to see it. Now I'm starting to see it. I'm starting to see it.
You know, and they probably just finished painting. And I can see it waving down at the bottom.
Yeah, the bottom of the door. The bottom of the door is starting to wave at me.
You can see by the back corner. Right?
On the back corner, I see the run, and plus I see the orange peel still going.
Yeah, and he peeling out.
Yeah.
Man, and look, these cars aren't rolled.
Mm-hmm.
There's creases.
Mm-hmm.
He rolled all of it.
They're sharp, defined creases, like bing, bing.
Man,
He smoothed them off.
I would take this car and bring it right back to him if you gave it to me.